Hello everyone, I am Girisha Chaudhary. I have recently secured All India rank 263 in UPSC CSE 2023. I would really like to thank Sunya IAS for the role they played in my journey and helping me secure this rank. Starting right from prelims, I had immense support and guidance of Kuldeep sir and Sugam sir. I am someone who struggles a lot in CSAT, and with the increasing levels of uncertainty of CSAT, my fear had only increased. But with their support and their focus, especially on the concepts rather than formulas, helped me regain my confidence and helped me sail through CSAT. So CSAT course, I would say, is highly recommended. And in GS also, Kuldeep sir had helped me in reaching the answers to the questions that I didn't know by use of common sense, presence of mind, etc. So prelims, they helped me a lot. In mains, I had taken the help of the material of Sunya IAS. I made my GS notes from their GS books, and luckily some questions were directly from those notes. So again, that helped me a lot in sailing through mains as well. So I would recommend Sunya IAS to all for prelims as well as mains. And thank you, Sunya IAS. Thanks a lot. Thank you very much.